There's something magical about seeing your own city from the water. And after dark, Perth and the Swan River really starts to shine.
Bring your mates, bring your mum, maybe even you could bring a date, because this is a cruise that ticks all the boxes. Tonight I'm boarding a Swan River dinner cruise, a great place to sit back, relax and see our city from a whole new perspective.
Our journey begins at Barrack Street Jetty, where you can expect to be welcomed on board with a smile and a cocktail, if you like. Then there's no mistaking a certain buzz in the air. Maybe it's the sound of the engine starting, the entertainer warming up, or perhaps the excited chatter of people kicking off their Saturday night, knowing something a little bit special is about to begin. The chef-prepared buffet is generous, fresh and packed with variety. Think seafood, roast meats, crisp salads, veggie dishes and lots more. And yes, there is dessert. I checked. I suggest you come hungry. This is one of those buffets where going back for seconds isn't just okay, it's kind of a must.
Nothing about this is what you'd call an average night out. It's dinner with an ever-changing view.
City lights twinkling on the water, boats passing by, and that wide open Western Australian sky above us. It's one of my favourite parts of the city. As the night goes on, so does the vibe. The mixologist taking care of the atmosphere inside, helping people get their groove on.
There's something so great about spending time on the water like this. I love that it's a no-fuss way to get on board and experience boating in Perth. It's a ticket to good times, great company, and our city at its best.
This vessel is just one of the boats in the Captain Cook Cruises fleet. They've been cruising Perth waters for years and have something for everyone. If you prefer a daytime cruise, there's a scenic lunch or wine option. Or if you like the whole boat to yourself, they also do private charters.
Whether it's a celebration, a catch-up, or just an excuse to get dressed up and head out, the Swan River Dinner Cruise is a great way to experience Perth's unmistakable sparkle. Will I see you on board?